So good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here today. Myself, Shama Parveen Ansari. I'm an independent researcher and I recently graduated from a PhD program in the field of teacher education and education technology from the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. Today, I'll be presenting my paper that is titled Pandora's Box of Worms or Butterflies Exploring Generative AI for Teacher Education in India. What comes to your mind when you hear the word Pandora's box? In Greek mythology, Pandora was given a box and warned never to open it. But curiosity led her to lift the lid, releasing all the evils into the world. However, at the very bottom of the box, one thing remained, and that was hope. Like Pandora's box, generative AI in education bring both challenges and opportunities. So is AI in education a disaster waiting to happen, or is it a powerful tool that when used wisely can transform education? That's what I'll be exploring today. Now, what is generative AI? It is a type of AI that generates images, text, videos, and other media in response to inputted prompts. In November 2022, OpenAI launched ChatGPT, reaching 1 million users in just 5 days. Then, education focused AI were launched like EduChat, MathGPT, and EdChat, which was launched by Australia to support teachers and students. In the same year, Meta launched Llama, Google launched Palm, and later Gemini. AI that is capable of understanding text, code, audio, images, and videos. Now, in 2024, AI became more refined, and tools like Notebook, LM, Perplexity, Claude, and Canva AI designs were launched for teachers. Then, now in 2025, it will be the year of AI agents because Google Mariner and OpenAI Sora will be expected to push AI-driven education to new heights. Generative AI is undeniably the landscape of education, reshaping the landscape of education globally. As highlighted in the articles, AI is no longer just a tool. It is being recognized as the future of learning and teaching. For instance, Trinity College Dublin is embracing AI's potential by releasing guidelines for using AI in essay writing, acknowledging that AI is impossible to ban and that we must focus on responsible integration. But the question still here remains, can generative AI truly help the education sector in India? Also, while AI has the potential to transform education as a whole, its role in teacher education is still being explored. So, despite the growing role of technology, teacher education programs face several challenges that hinder the quality of training for future educators. First, infrastructure and resources are inadequate in many teacher education programs. There has been found outdated curriculums and pedagogical approaches. There is another challenge like lack of practical training opportunities, which are essential for developing effective teaching skills in real classroom settings. Also, low motivation and professionalism are found among teachers and educators that affect the overall quality of education. The limited integration of technology in teacher education is another obstacle. Lastly, regulatory and policy changes further complicate the situation. Centralized frameworks often lack flexibility, stifling innovation and preventing adoption to the unique needs of diverse educational environments. Now, implementing generative AI in teacher education can have both positive and negative impacts. Some of the positive impacts are: first, personalized learning is one major benefit. AI can significantly improve teaching support and classroom management. Improve digital literacy. Integrating AI in teacher education enhances teachers' digital skill and access to digital teaching resources, ensuring they are prepared for the demands of modern education. AI also improves teacher student relationships. It allows more personalized interaction, enabling educators to adapt their teaching methods to meet individual needs. Professional development is another advantage of AI. Lastly, AI encourages the development of creativity and innovation in teacher educators, and these skills are essential for academic and professional success. The risk and challenges. While now some barriers of the use of generative AI in teacher education. Data protection and privacy. Many generative AI models operates as black box. Mainly, it is difficult to teach new users data is processed and whether being misused. It is not known to us. The other major concern is the risk of dependency on technology. Students may become over reliant on AI, which can hinder the development of their cognitive abilities and critical thinking skills. Next, the ethical concerns also arise with the use of AI in education, like plagiarism, hallucinations, equity, and excess are increasingly relevant, especially with the misuse of AI leading to academic dishonesty. Lastly, AI can also negatively affect social skills. The reduction to face interaction caused by an over reliance on AI may hinder students' social adaptability and the development of interpersonal skills. So, what is the way forward? Here are some of my recommendations. Firstly, we must acknowledge and understand the impact of AI in education, its benefit and risk. This awareness is crucial for effective integration. Next, we need to update teacher training curricula. AI literacy, ethics, and core competencies should be embedded in programs to prepare future educators. Teacher must focus on nurturing creativity, empathy, and social skills, areas where AI falls short. Asynchronized online courses can help scale this training. Empowering teacher educator is also a key. Training staff ensures they can effectively support students and stakeholders in using AI responsibly. We must also encourage research on the ethical use of AI in teacher education to ensure it remains a tool for empowerment and not a source of bias. Prioritizing AI in teacher education programs will enable institutions to integrate AI-driven teaching methods and assessment effectively. Finally, we need cohorts of technology leads, specialists who can guide institutions in implementing AI while maintaining a human-centric approach to education. The speed of adoption of generative AI in education is unprecedented, and its deeper long-term impact on teacher education is still uncertain. Generative AI in teacher education is not about replacing educators, but enhancing their capabilities, making training more personalized, scalable, and efficient. As we stand at the crossroads of technological information, the question remains: are we ready to embrace AI responsibly in teacher education? The future of education is in our hands, and by fostering collaboration between AI and educators, we can build a more inclusive, innovative, and effective learning environments. These are some of my resources that has been used for the presentations. Thank you.